Ever wonder if you're using the full version of Photoshop or just a trial? Let's dive right in and figure out if your Photoshop is the full version or a trial first. Open Adobe Photoshop. Once Photoshop is open, look towards the top of your screen at the menu bar, find and click on the Help option. In the drop-down menu of Help, locate the About Photoshop option and click on it. This will bring up a new window. Inside this About Photoshop window, you'll find information about your Photoshop version. The key information here will be the licensing details. Look closely at the text displayed. If the text indicates a subscription or license to, and it includes your Adobe account or the name of the license holder, you're running the full, paid version of Photoshop. If it mentions a trial with a remaining number of days, you are using the trial version. Now it's super easy to check. Knowing what you have helps you understand what features and access the tools have for you. That's all you need to know. That's it. You successfully determine whether you're using a trial or the full version of Photoshop. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.